There are two ways to view the stars, as they really are and as we might wish them to be. Patterns, rules, or as we call them, laws of nature.
C Clarke, scientist, writer and visionary. The scientist who invented the communication satellite, the writer of 2010.
Arthur C. Clarke invented the communication satellite long before the technology existed to launch one. His novels and stories, including 2001: A Space Odyssey, have inspired a generation of real-life astronauts.
Well, you said science should be skeptical of politics. Don't you think we ought to be a little skeptical about science too? I mean, can we trust you guys?
I think you should certainly be skeptical, but my view is that there's no community of people on the planet more skeptical than science. It's our stock in trade. It's the lifeblood of our subject.
Science is a self-correcting subject.